Hello YouTubers. We got our little start with a small bass up here in 1.5 feet of water. There you go, buddy. Come back and get bigger. Got my oldest son Dalton with us. Got him with that chartreuse and white chatterbait. Jackhammer. We just got out here. We're gonna try to get on them. We got a wind out of the south and it's pretty strong, I'll tell you. It's hammering on us. Got the trolling motor raised up. That's how shallow it is here. Them bass is up here in shallow water. A lot of people don't believe that in the wintertime. This is all shallow right here. Big boats can't even get in here. Alright, God bless you. We're gonna try to catch some fish. Did you? Might have to put a trailer hook on that spinnerbait. We're gonna throw some spinnerbaits and chatterbaits. See what we come up with. Might throw a jerkbait. God bless America. That's what I'm talking about. Way to go, son. You got a small bass here. We didn't make it far. He done got another one here. That's chartreuse and white spinnerbait. Is that KVD?
Yeah, KVD spinner with a
Got
trailer on it.
Oh, he got a little trick going on here with a pumpkin seed, green
Little
pumpkin.
bitty guy.
Is that green, brown or something? Chartreuse? Split tail, ain't it?
Yeah, with a little chartreuse on the end.
Uh-oh. Look out. Man, this water is muddy on this side. We had a big rain last night. Must have got an inch and a half of rain. But it's gone.
I believe there's a bunch of little bass over here because they're popping the top of the water.
But they're popping the top of the water over here. They're chasing something up in here. And man, that water's muddy.
There he is, another one.
He's got another one.
Oh,
Look at here.
Hey, them little bass are in there.
They short striking on you.
They're in there.
Well, we'll see if we can get them. Oh, I know.
They're in there.
You can get one, son. We got a lot of overcast today, and I got grass, I believe, that time.
I definitely hit that second one.
Yeah, they're in here. There's all kind of stumps in here. We got a wind out of the south, which is always good.
Oh, I missed him again.
There's a lot of stumps in here.
Is there any grass? I'm telling you, they're hitting it. It's a little bitty thing hitting it, dude.
Yeah, I think we run to school of small bass.
I might throw up one with a trailer on it.
Trailer hook
Yeah.
might be the thing. Guys, we'll get back at you here in a bit. We're gonna try some different things. God bless you. Here we go again, guys. That's what I'm talking about. Woo!
It's better than the last one. Ain't done yet.
Same spinnerbait?
Yeah, same spinnerbait.
All right.
Yeah, he's better than the last one.
Pretty good
On
fish.
that bottom jaw.
That's that KVD spinnerbait.
Well, that got him good, I'll tell you that hook.
Got him hooked in the bottom. He must have trashed your bait. Oh yeah. That's the deal today. I'll try a little chartreuse, I believe, in white. Man, this water is muddy up here, guys. Ain't nothing like fishing with your son. He's on them today. He's out to outdo me. That's all right. Woo! Catch nothing, Dalton. Here we go.
He's working that real slow.
Yeah, sometimes that's what they want. They want it slow. I believe we found a school of fish up in here. This over here is so muddy. I don't know if there's anything in there or not. We're gonna try it out. God bless America. Hello, YouTubers. We got a bald eagle down here, and he is fighting with a crane. Those gray cranes. I don't know what the issue is, but fighting over a fish or something. We got some stumps right in here. This is a channel swing bank, and Dalton just got hung up. He got hung up, but I got a fish. Look at here, this little fat daddy, fat mama. Changed over that chartreuse white spinnerbait. The water's got a little murk to it. Seems to be working a little better today. My son clued in on with that, so we switched it around. If you notice that spinner on there has an eye on it, got that red eye on it with chartreuse and white. It's that KVD. And that red eye is key because you just can really see the red better than any color ever. We're back again. I hit the video button. Yeah, you can hear that eagle. He is raising Cain with that crane. He came around here, and we seen him. Get him, son. I'm gonna let this guy go. KVD spinnerbait. We got all kind of action out here today. Boy, this fish here, he murdered it. Stop. I may have to get the pliers up. Oh, there it is. Woo. Yeah, that little fish murdered it. I seen him hit it. There's a lot of stumps down through here. And when he short striked it, then he came back after it. We'll see you, buddy. Woo, he's aggressive. They are aggressive today.
Yeah, we gotta get my line is running out.
We gotta get this boy unhung here. He's hit a stump. There's some stumps in there. We're on our way. We got a little lay down right here in the water. We're gonna go after him some more. We're gonna try to get that eagle on video if we can. We're gonna get him unhung. He's got on a stump here. God bless y'all. Thanks for watching. Tubers, got another one here on the spinnerbait. All right, good job, Dalton. He's on cue today. This guy right here has a deer hunting machine. He limited out this year on the deer. Get some nice ones. He's getting them mounted. And we got bald eagles flying around. There comes that eagle again, Dalton. Right over there. Got a big bald eagle flying in the area. He's all over the place. Big giant flock of seagulls. Big giant flock of duck. They are all up in there. If you can see them on camera. Woo, that wind is kicking. That fish.
Yeah, I watched him really right out of that.
They'll hide by them stuff. Good job.
Oh, man.
Did you lose it? Oh no, son.
See if you roll over, I might see it down in there.
Was your bell clicked?
No, it just...
We got to do a recovery on spinnerbait, guys. We'll be back with you. God bless you. Look at them clouds moving. Woo! Where's that?
Hell, I'm not trying to keep my eye on it.
Here we go. Spinnerbait lost today. But we are going to get on some fish here, hopefully. We're heading back in Bradley Creek. That big eagle is soaring around here.
Go with me, Daddy. Stay right here.
God bless America. Looky here, YouTubers. Fish on. Spinnerbait time, baby. Woo!
Yeah.
Gills spread out. Fat belly fish.
That's spinnerbait all day. Fish number 5.
Look at that fish. Woo-wee.
Good one.
Yes, sir. We're gonna get back in here and get them. We got grass all in here, man. There's a south wind coming like you wouldn't believe. We're in probably about 1.5 foot of water. In the wintertime. In January, late January. Woohoo! God bless you. Catch us another one, dog. We're gonna get back in there. Fishing in the current with a spinnerbait in the wintertime. God bless you all. Fish on, guys. Which way is it going?
Going to left. Going left.
I'll turn trolling. Here we go. Good job, son. That's what I'm talking about. Woo, baby. Yes, sir. Bass on a spinnerbait in the wintertime. Look at here. Get down and lipping, baby.
He's about 4 pounds.
Good job, son.
Don't you jump.
Oh, he's all right. You got him. Hooked good. He's hooked.
Oh, yeah.
Yes, sir. The fat daddy.
That one.
Woo! Show that belly off on that bad boy.
That same spinnerbait.
Turn it around. I see that big fat belly. Turn the belly around,
Look,
dog.
get them cakes on.
Turn the belly around. That fat belly. They're getting ready. It's pre-spawn going on is what it is. They're feeding up. Yes, sir. Good job. Way to go, dog. It's my 26-year-old son. He'll be 26 next month. He's an MP. An MP in the Army National Guard. We have got ducks flying out of the area here. They're probably gonna mess that little fishing spot up. That's all right. We'll just keep fishing in shallow water if we have to. Woo! Fishing is second to none. Yes, sir. Woo, baby. That was fine. All right, guys. We're gonna try to get another one. Good job, son. We got another fish on. My son is wearing them out today.
Number 7.
Woo!
Come here, little one. You're as big as
That's
that.
what I'm talking about, those spinnerbait.
That's a good color right there.
Man, they are really humping in this current.
Look, look, he's got orange eyes. Real bright orange eyes.
That's cool. Show it up here a little more. Them orange eyes. Good job. We still got coots flying out of the area. I wish they'd get on out of here. Yeah, there's little grass clumps up in here and stumps. Throw in there and stumps. That's where the fish are hiding. Right by them stumps there. Ambush spot. Yes, sir. We're gonna get back in there. I'm having to fight this trolling motor like you wouldn't believe just to stay in position. Because this wind is kicking. We probably got 20-mile-an-hour winds. We're gonna get back at it. God bless you. Going here.
Way to go, Pops. Fish number, I think, 15, 14.
I'm talking about, guys, spinnerbait. Little red eye on there. A little dash of red makes a difference, trust me. Love that red.
I think I'm going to get some grass.
We'll see you, buddy. Jimmy Houston. I get a better shot. Jimmy Houston.
Let's go get them, guys.
Come on, guys. Fish on. Woo! Here we go. Good job, Dalton. Boy, Dalton's on them today. Nice job. Woo-hoo! Yes, sir. Right out of that stump right there. We still fighting the wind. Man. We're going back in that long.
Yep.
Good job, son. That was a nice one. We just passed the duck blind with all them decoys out. They're all out in the water there. And we're making our way back up this way. He just threw that stump and got him one right there. Woo! We're gonna throw back in here, guys. God bless you. God is good. Fishing is second to none. Second to none.
One in there.
Get him, boy. Here we go. It's been a rough day on the water, but we have warm out here in only about 2.5 hours.
Oh, that's a good throw right there.
We're going to get back in here and get them. God bless America. All right, guys, we still got it going on here. My son's having a day today. Ain't nothing like fishing with your son. Woo!
He's tired.
Bass on that
He
spinnerbait.
ain't tired just yet.
All righty.
Where's that hook?
Good deal. Yeah, he's probably about 1.5 pounds. We come up in here with the wind, got out of the wind a little bit. We've been fighting that wind like crazy.
Muddy water's making
And we
it
got,
clear.
yeah, we like Dalton just said, there's real muddy water right there, and it meets a little bit more clear water.
Throwing it right in the edge of that muddy, and they're smacking it.
That's the deal. That's the deal right here.
Keep it rolling. I'm not catching another one.
That muddy water right there, it meets this other water, this green water. We've had all this rain and stuff. It's getting late, but we're still fishing at them. Got a lot of clouds now. We got up out of the wind a little bit. We're in this cut in between this island. Fishing has been great today. God is good. Woo! That's what I'm talking about. Old spinnerbait. KVD. All right, guys, we're going to get back at it. God bless y'all. Got that trailer on there. That green pumpkin, chartreuse tails. Here we go.